Oh, yeah, please more. Now get a hammer behind it. Ding, 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 ding. This is what they drove on the train tracks. This is gorgeous. Maybe I need a Ford in my life instead of a Ram. Hello everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back. It looks like the Sahara Desert out here, or where they make gravel. But this is actually Copart, and we are on the hunt for a car or a truck or an SUV or something to add to the channel. I just showed you that one. That's the old Cadillac Escalade that I'm really kind of interested in. But they have so much more to look at, and I'm very near what I call Truck Town. So I think this video is going to be all about some big old trucks. Hubba, hubba, hubba. Look at this, a Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty from 2019. This, oh, is a big truck. I don't even know. Let's just go. We're going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, probably 25 feet from front to back. And as we round the back, you see one of the problems. Okay, something happened here. So this is a little dented. You got your tailgate right there, some trim pieces inside right there, but this was a max. Look at this thing. Look at the bars on this. Wow. She'll pull whatever you want her to pull. And the tires are holding air, 4x4 off-road. There is some stress right here indicated. Well, here's they took this off. I don't know why. This is where you put your fuel inside of it. This is a Cummins diesel. Some stress right here. We're missing the handle. This won't go up or down. But as you can see, we have power. And look at the inside. This is such a nice place to be. Oh, and look how the odometer actually, as you get in, it kind of rolls around to the current mileage. 94,000 miles on this old girl. Let's put our foot on the brake. Oh, she purrs like a big old dinosaur cat, doesn't she? That sounds so good. PSI up in the 60s. Rear park sense unavailable, service required. Blind spot alert unavailable, service required. What else have we got right here? And then back to tire pressure. Okay, that's nice. I love these dashes. I really do. This is very nice. Super nice. So we're going to enjoy this for just a little bit. We're going to use this to cool down the phone. Oh my goodness. Max AC, thank you. Climate, seat controls. Let's go vented seats. Oh, yeah, please more of that. Give me more of that. I love these things. There is some wear and tear right here. They've got your rear seat out for some reason. Oh, they were looking at the back. Yeah, they're taking a look at the back and what the problem was. Look how your seat is attached to the floor. Oh, this thing is nice. Sunroof, SOS, assist, open and close everything. Oh my gosh, absolutely. This is such a good place to be. And I love the stitching. If I win the lottery, I'm buying one of these. Just so you know. This is so nice. All the windows are going to work. Oh, you're not even there. Oh, they've taken you out. Oh, well, here's an issue. If I can kind of get you back there to show you. There it is. They've removed the panel. They've removed all of this back here. Huh. That's interesting. I can't really see what's going on behind me. But, yeah. Somebody was in there doing some work. Look at the speaker right behind the headrest for the front seat people. You've got your Mopar oil changed, 10/20 of 24. It's due 98,000. You got 94,000, so you're good on your oil. Oh my gosh, this is nice. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, high, low, hill, ascent and descent. This says label. I don't know why. Park, there's your trailer brakes. See, here you go. Woo! Woo! That's cool. That is nice. Okay. Let's take a look at the engine. Let's listen to this old diesel. Well, it's not even old. 2019, 5 years old. Listen to her. She's silent. She really is. We do have rock chips as indicated right there. Let me lift this up. I need a ladder to even work on this thing. Look how clean. Wow. Someday, Mike, someday you'll have a truck like this. I love it. Let me know what you think about the 6.7 liter turbo diesel Cummins engine. You got 2 batteries, 2 Pro Series batteries. Nice, nice. I wouldn't fix the stress creases or anything like that. I'd put the tailgate back on or find another one. I can't even reach this. See? There we go. I would fix the rear end of it and then I would just drive it. I don't care. A couple of hail dings right there. Nothing major. I can't even see what the problem is. Well, right here maybe. Pop that out. This is a little, that's not an issue. Pop that out, get a hammer behind it. Ding, 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 ding. That wouldn't be an issue. What's in here? Nice. Man, they thought of everything. They really did. You get a charging port right there. So cool. And the tires? Nexen Rodian ATX. Lots of tread on those. Well, you need a tail light too. It could be in this stuff right back here. This is perfect. Yep, yep, yep. So I present to you one 2019 Ram 2500 heavy duty with the Cummins. Woo! I'm going to enjoy this for a little bit. Next up, and a direct competitor with the Ram, we have the Hemi 6.4 liter Ram. It's another Ram. Yeah. So this is the different engine. This is a 2500 once again. Very similar. Very, very similar. Damage is in the front. You might be able to get this a little cheaper. Oh, you get a little step. That's kind of cool. Right here, you do get a toolbox with a weed growing in it right there. You get your spare right there. You get a nice toolbox. There's your front pieces, which is nice. Okay. You do get a tailgate with this one and 2 tail lights. Oh, you know what? Wait a minute. This is what they drove on the train tracks. Look, how cool is that? See, you can go up and down, and that goes on the train tracks. I've never seen that in real life before. How cool is that? Yeah, that's what sits on the track. And then can you just steer, or is there one up front too? No. I guess you just steer. All right, on the inside, yes, she does smell good. Absolutely. Once again, we have a push start, same place. Uh-oh. What's wrong? There it is. Come on, build up oil pressure. Yeah, the lost type, this has been here for a while. This says the lost type was, I don't know, END. I don't know, I can't read that from the behind part. Okay. It's not the smoothest sounding engine. Let's turn this on. Give me some AC, people. Here we go. Whatever here is gross. It's like paint that is melted. Yeah, this is your basic truck. So the Ram 2500 Cummins was loaded. This one is your basic work truck that you're going to use to drive on the railroads. So it's just basic stuff. There you go. Front work, rear work, rail clear, beacon. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. And then once again, front gear up, rear gear up. Nice. We have lots of lights though. We have the check engine light, air light, seat belt. We have the traction control light. Once again, we overheated, so we're back very, very quickly. This doesn't have a ton of miles, 4,676. If that is the true Reading. Okay, 4,600 miles. Once again, loving this. Loving this. Let me let you listen to the engine very quickly. There is a slight tick right here. Look at these huge, huge tires and rims. Nice. Oh, wheel lug nut torque. Tire pressure 85 psi right there. And there's one very dirty engine. It's been sitting out here for a long, long time. All right, yeah, it's the Hemi, but this used to ride on the railroad. And finally, let's bring in somebody from the Ford family. Yeah, we got us an F-250, 6.7 liter Powerstroke turbo diesel in black. The wheels aren't the biggest. She still stands tall though. We have a cracked windshield right up here. This says do not fork. I've got to be careful with what's on the windshields these days, okay? So this one, I can't lift it up with a forklift. There's not a problem. I would never do that. We have a flat tire on the back. This is my drink that you're listening to right here. We're gonna set it right there. This is the King Ranch edition, so she's loaded. No damage, no damage. A couple of dings on the door right there. These tires are as bald as can be. They are, wow, super bald. Inside, yeah, I was right. Talk about loaded. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Maybe I need a Ford in my life instead of a Ram. Have I just sparked a huge debate? If so, let me know what you prefer, the Ford or the Ram. I don't know. This is 2019, minor dents and scratches, it says, for the reason she's here. Oh, this is cool. Let's take a look at the back. Here we go. Look at the back seat. You've got the parts for your wheels right here. I love this. It's a basketball color with the black. Nice. Even King Ranch logo right there on your floor mat. Wood look on the door. How much prettier can she get? Oh, and she's a dark brown. There's no stepladder. How am I supposed to do this? The old-fashioned way? Really? Okay. Ugh, here we go. Look at this. Okay, yeah, there's your problem right there. Your windshield is smashed. That's minor. No problems with the dash. I love this. Let's see if she's going to try to start for us. Once again, the phone overheated. So once again, we have to pick up where we left off. Well, the beautiful Ford King Ranch has started, and it sounds perfect. Okay, we have 91,000 miles right there. We have a beautiful display. We have cooled seats. I got that on right here. Max AC, of course, it's cold. What are we listening to on the radio? How do I do this? Media. Media, please. Home. Audio. Sources. FM. 104.5. There we go. It's a good station. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is nice. This is unbelievable in here. And look how big. This isn't black. This is like a chocolate brown color. And that is gigantic. Look at the switches, auxiliary switches. Right here, you've got your sunroof, your moonroof right here. Everything is going to work. I mean, my goodness, it's a 2019. Look at this, of course. Yep. I'm just going to hang out here. Look at how nice this is in here. And I love this. We do have a tire pressure fault, oil change, driver door, hood ajar, and that's it. There we go. 13.9 average miles per gallon. Ugh. They must have been hauling something, I would hope. But this is a big truck. This is a gigantic truck. Loaded, loaded, loaded. I love the door handles, a little touch of wood right there. Nice. All right, let's look at the engine. All right, I got to hold my hand up just to show you the engine. This is a tall truck. Okay, I'm a little taller than the rear view mirror. Okay, 5'9" is my height. This, once again, I need a ladder just to work on this, but look how clean. It doesn't move an inch. So are you a Powerstroke or a Cummins fan? We do have some issues on the batteries. There's two here, but this is gorgeous. I love the paint on these. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. I'll take two. This is nice. I think I like this more than the Ram. I don't like the tires. I don't like the wheels though. I'd have to change that. Yeah, you know those were loud on the road. There you go. Oh gosh. Okay, so we're gonna get up in here. Enjoy the air conditioning. This is, you gotta get a running start to do this. But look how clean everything is. Look at that. This is perfect. They sent this to the auction in great condition. Why? Why? Why is that so expensive and why is it here? Minor dents and scratches. And you're gonna send it to the auction? Heck yeah. I wonder how much this is gonna go for. Yeah, let me know in the comments how much you think this thing is worth. I'm almost afraid to ask. How much did you come up with? What do you think this is going to sell for at the auction? I have no idea because I haven't followed Super Duty truck sales at all, and I probably should have because I would love to own one someday, but I just don't. How much was this thing new? 100? 110? I don't even know. So let me know in the comments what you think about this. All right. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. This was fun checking out these trucks. And that rail truck I loved it. That was really, really cool. So we've seen the loaded version of the Ram. We've seen the very downgraded version of the Ram. And we have seen the best that Ford can offer in a Super Duty. I love it. This is so nice. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We're back with another video very, very soon. All right, we'll see you. Bye-bye.